We're going to get some more of our calls of the day right now. Let's start with KKR. Initiated as a buy at HSBC. Price target set at 148. That's about a 16% upside. Joe, you own this one in the Joe T ETF.
One of the favorite positions that we have, private equity, has been remarkably strong. Stocks well over 50% over the last year. You could add Evercore into that conversation, up 40%. Blackstone, relative underperformance, only up about 17%. But KKR has done a phenomenal job executing on deals in an environment where rates have stayed higher for longer. Now you're entering a cycle. Rates are going to be moving lower. That's going to unlock a lot of transaction, a lot of interest in private equity space. I think all of these names, Evercore, Blackstone, and KKR, are names you could put on your buy list, if not own them already.
And by the way, KKR trading very close to an all-time high, hit an all-time high, I believe, just earlier today. Sorry, Jim, did you want to jump in?
Yeah, just, throw in Apollo in that mix as well, Joe. And I own BlackRock, yes. Not exactly identical. But what's going on here is all these alternative asset managers are getting into funding. We were just talking about BlackRock and Microsoft not that long ago. Apollo funding Intel's Irish chip plant. All these things are going on. These guys have a lot of money, and they're funding a lot of the cutting-edge projects in technology.
All right, next up, we have Super Micro, initiated as a buy at Needham. Joe, you also own this one in the Joe T ETF. Weiss, you own Taiwan Semi.
So I'm going to save you some time here at the back end of the show, Frank, and just be very succinct on this. This has been a bad position to hold in the ETF for us. It is broken momentum, and we'll deal with it accordingly at the end of October at the rebalance.
All right, there we go. Weiss, coming over to you. Taiwan Semi, your view on just the chip space right now. What's going on in the action there?
Yeah, I have no such threatening warning for Taiwan Semi. This has been a strong position for us, strong performer, and only gets stronger. I'll just remind you that every conversation that Jensen Huang has with analysts, with investors, he always says, if I can only get more capacity from Taiwan Semi. So that applies to all the others as well. It applies to Meta. It applies to Apple, you name it. So very predictable earnings stream, the cheapest semi out there. I just don't understand why you'd want to own Broadcom versus Taiwan Semi or so many of the others.
All right. Also want to talk about TJX, reiterated as a buy at Bank of America. The firm says the retailer is best positioned for younger generation Americans. That's another name in the Joe T ETF, Joe.
Off price working remarkably well. TJX, Marshalls, seeing strong revenue growth. They really are gaining and capturing significant market share with the younger generation. It's in a sweet spot in an environment where retail has so much friction on where ultimately you want to be. You hear one company talking on earnings about a very challenged environment, and then you have companies like TJX talking very favorably about the conditions that they're experiencing. So it's a name that we've held for some time. It's a name that we'll continue to hold, and it also has very strong technical support underlying strong fundamentals.
All right, last but certainly not least, we have CrowdStrike, rated to outperform at Mizuho, remains near the top of the firm's software long ideas list. Bryn, you own the BUG ETF. CrowdStrike, a top holding in that ETF.
Yeah, I mean, I think CrowdStrike is still in the penalty box from a stock perspective, right? It got up to 400. It's still in the mid 200s. I own it in a diversified ETF. That's been a good thing this year. But longer term, the stock has been a beast. So I think that, Palo, CrowdStrike, Fortinet, are really the three favorite ways to play it. I think right now, Palo Alto is a little easier to own just because you don't have the hangover and the unknown if there are going to be longer term downstream impacts to CrowdStrike from that IT outage earlier this year.
Joe, coming back over to you. You actually own CrowdStrike straight out. Your view on CrowdStrike right now? I mean, post, obviously, that global IT outage that Bryn was just mentioning.
Well, all of the cybersecurity names that Bryn has mentioned, Fortinet, Palo Alto, and CrowdStrike, have all made significant price recoveries here over the last several weeks. If you're studying momentum, what you're beginning to see is a degree of exhaustion there. So I wouldn't be surprised to see these companies running in place, in particular for CrowdStrike. On a technical perspective, it's got to get above 285, and you're really not going to hear from management in the coming weeks. So don't be surprised if it is a kind of sideways type of price action, but maintaining position in Palo Alto and CrowdStrike for sure, and taking a look as the fall progresses at Fortinet as well as a possible addition.
Yeah, looking at shares of CrowdStrike down just about 1% right now.